black yo magic. That black yo magic. That black yo magic, magic, magic. Black yo magic. That black yo magic. That black yo. Look at that black yo hitting me with all of that.
So yeah, before we start, I really want to apologize for the noise in the background. This Nigerian movie was really distracting me from filming this video, so my apologies. Welcome back to my channel. My name is Latifa. If it's your first time stepping by, make sure you like, comment, subscribe. So today I'm gonna be showing you how to slay your hair like I just did, so stay tuned. So first, I'm not gonna make this video too long or too short, you know. Make sure you grab your popcorns, grab your pen or whatever. I don't know what I'm talking about, but yeah, we're gonna get it started. All right, so first you're gonna need a spray bottle, hair mousse, and you're gonna need Gorilla and this. Okay, so I'm gonna moisturize my hair first. Coucou tout le monde, je me prénomme Latifa. Donc, dans cette vidéo, je vais vous montrer comment plaquer vos cheveux tout en haut, au faire un chignon tout en haut. J'ai utilisé la crème de nature, ou crème en nature en anglais, avec de l'huile d'olive, la mousse et Gorilla Snack Gel. Yeah. So, n'hésitez pas à aimer, à vous abonner et partager. Laissez des commentaires aussi. Merci. So I know y'all might be wondering why my hair color is this way. Alright, let me tell you. So I had my color. I bleached my hair once. It was all orange red and the color started fading a little. And I was getting bored. So I dyed it back black. And now the color is fading. And this is what I'm left with. So here I'm pretty much adding oil to my scalp and massaging my scalp. Make sure you put the oil all over the place. This is olive oil with tea tree oil, plus the Dugro oil, of course. So yeah, I'm giving myself a nice massage, which is gonna allow the blood to circulate throughout your scalp. That's how you're gonna get these inches. So yeah. I haven't did a soak press on my hair for about like 6 months now, so I can't wait to see what it looks like straight. And I'm gonna use this for now. Just what else do I need? Okay, I'm gonna use this, some mousse. Well, I did it the wrong way, but okay. Some more mousse. The mousse just makes it easier to manipulate your hair. Alright, so I'm just here, just keep adding. This is the Crema Nature mousse argan oil. Yeah, Crema Nature sponsor me if you see this.
Okay. Keep pushing. Right. And the top, you want the top to be curly also. So
some gorilla, just a little bit, not so much. A little too much here in the back. Y'all, my brush is dirty, but don't mind it. Just like this, and then you're gonna brush upward. And I might take some out for my edges. Yeah, just a little. Brushing. Now, the final part we all been waiting for. Oof. I love my hair, y'all. And it's in. I can't talk, y'all. I think I have a bold spot here. I'll fold it to the scrunchie into two. Yeah. And look carefully what I'm doing. Just like that. And the rest, pull it backward.
What I am going to say now.
Alright, you guys, we're gonna move to the edges next. So I'm gonna grab a edge brush and tap some Gorilla Snack on my hand and dab some of my edges and just swoop and swoop. It's pretty self-explanatory, so yeah, dab some and swoop. Yep. Girl, why don't you never close your mouth? Like, this is my problem. Like, I'm always doing something with my mouth open. Like, alright, just dab, swoop, just like that. Now the sideburns. Like, I love this part right here. This is what gives it a whole look, like a nice look. You just turn to the side and just people just be looking at you like, yes, girl. Just dab some, swoop. And the Gorilla Snack is really nice. Like, it really holds down your edges all day long. And usually after applying the Gorilla Snack, I like to go on top of it with some oil, which avoids the black, not the black, the gray and white residue at the end. Dab and swoop. Yep. It's like an S. Yeah. So here I'm gonna pull out a piece of hair on each side and curl it just a little. It makes it cute, you know. Yes, sir. And just a little bit. I don't know what the back didn't want to curl, but yeah. Yes, kitty. Yes, 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 yes. 360.